Hi, today's topic is how to use Excel as a BIM tool. Excel is a great versatile tool. The problem is when you want to scale it up in the company, it's very easy to mess up the formulas. So what I like to do is, I want to do as stable Excel sheets as possible. For this, I like to mark the fields that you can change easily in yellow, for example. Then I like to work with drop-down lists as much as possible. Third, I like to test it with a lot of different users to get all the ideas how you can mess it up. And you can easily lock certain cells. Follow me to get more insights into the topic automation of the AECO industry.